Hey guys, Jet888 here. It is, well, today is the January 10th, but I'm going back and I'm going to share this December 15th video that I took regarding those drones. And I know this is an old subject now, I guess, with our attention span. It's already passed, but I felt like all those drones that were flying around were so huge, and then all of a sudden the mainstream media starts picking on these guys doing playing with the toy drones, and I just thought it was sort of ridiculous, and I thought it was a big distraction. And it's kind of like, you know, the officials want to make it look like it's the toy drone operators who are the problem, and that's not what people were freaking out about. So anyhow, I decided when I saw this video, I'm going to go ahead and post it, even though it was on December 15th that I made this. And what I thought was kind of funny is, yeah, I used Obi-Wan saying these are not the drones you're looking for. A couple days later, after I did this video, I saw some military, I don't know, interview or something talking about the drones. So, and the guy in the military, he used this exact same thing. These are not the drones you're looking for, Obi-Wan. So I thought that was weird. Anyhow, I'm going to share this video that I made back on the 15th of December, just to kind of, so I can delete it and from my records. I make a lot of videos and I never post them, so I figured I was going to post these, even though they're out of date, I know. Okay, bye. Okay guys, Jet888 here. It is December 15th. I find it very interesting, and you know, all the attention with the drones going on, and the recent arrest, yesterday's arrest by the Boston Police Department of 2 suspects arrested following hazardous drone operation on Long Island. And we have all these news covering these sightings, and 2 arrested, again, flying drones near Logan, amid weekend of sightings. So 2 men were allegedly operating a drone from abandoned Long Island Health Campus, Boston police said. Now, this is the picture that they give you, that this news article gives. So here's the picture, and this is actually a photo from a plane at Logan International Airport as of January 2023, by Molly Farrar. So this is the 1-minute read. Anyhow, it talks about Robert Duffy of Charleston and Jeremy Fulsick of Bridgewater, Massachusetts, I guess they're from. And I want to show you the map. So when I heard about this, I visualized these people being right outside the airport, but this is what it really looks like. Okay, so here's Long Island Health Campus. It's abandoned. It's totally abandoned. And here's the airport right here. Look at that. Isn't that weird? But it looks like a needle of some sort. But so there's the airport. There's the red spot is where the Long Island Health Campus is, where it's abandoned. And this is where the alleged drone operators were. And look at this. So let's try to get over here. So for some reason, this little Long Island Health thing is all abandoned. I wonder what they're really doing here. So you can go look at it yourself if you want. Just go to Google Maps, whatever, you can look at it. So but it's abandoned, allegedly abandoned. So these people, though, if you look at the hang on, let me look at the scale. So here's the scale. That's 1 mile that we're seeing there. Let me take the pen to that. So look at the distance. So where my finger is, that's 1 mile, 2 miles. So they were at least 2 miles from the airport. Now I know airspace is 4 to 5 nautical miles, allegedly, something like that. But so you're about 2 miles from the airport. And according to the 25 News here, the 2 people will face charges after allegedly flying a drone too close to Boston's Logan Airport Saturday, according to the police. It's funny that the stories took so long to come out, but Robert Duffy, 42, of Charleston, and Jeremy Fullick of Bridgewater were caught flying drones. So it says that they were caught flying drones, so it's not really allegedly, but I guess you have to say that. So they're caught flying drones. Let me skip down here. And then in this article it says, quote, "The Boston Police Department reminds recreational drone operators of the importance of adhering to Federal Aviation Administration," the FAA. So Police Department reminds recreational drone operators. So just here, let me go back. Now here is a recent article, December 12th, that talks about all those New Jersey drones that they have seen. And they talk about, in this article it says, a thorough analysis of pictures and videos and very sophisticated electronic detection technologies provided by federal authorities have not revealed any of the flying objects to be unauthorized drones. So what does that mean? Unauthorized drones. Doesn't that mean that it's okay then for them to be there? And I thought that I saw where these drones were super large. That's what was the concern. They're super big. But here the FBI and DHS said in a joint statement that there's no evidence at this time that the reported drone sightings pose a national security or public safety threat or have a foreign nexus. So why are they arresting people? And going back to the first article, again, the Boston Police Department reminds recreational drone operators of adhering to Federal Aviation Administration. But when we look at the flight range of a drone, depends on the type of drone, it says. So consumer drones you've got typically have a range of 1 to 5 miles. Prosumer drones reach up to 10 miles. And then commercial drones can fly beyond 10 miles. And then recreational and toy drones may only have a range of 20 to 100 meters. There's your 2 miles right here, distance. This is where they found the drone people, and here's the airport. So that's 2 miles. So I felt it's pretty deceptive to show this picture with the plane right there, like you've got drone operators right there. But also when you've got a drone, I know this is pretty what is it? Stereotypical, I guess, but when I think of a drone operator, I don't know, I just don't think of someone that looks like this. But that's allegedly Robert Duffy, but I've never found him. I can't find him. I don't see his name anywhere, but this is him, one of him. He doesn't look very happy. So they found him on this island flying their toy drone, which only has 20 to 100 meters distance flight ability. So I don't know how an airport 2 miles away is going to pose a health or safety issue. And just to go off on a little weird tangent with the last name Duffy, by the way, when I looked at gematria, here's a name in Jewish gematria. Duffy is 616. So are the words JFK, liberty, and ritual sacrifice, just to let you know. Okay, and here's one last point I want to make regarding this article, and I'm going to read this part after the importance of adhering to federal aviation for your recreational drone that can only go 20 to 100 and the airport is 2 miles away and you're getting arrested. This also says, where my cursor is, operators are prohibited from flying drones over people or vehicles. Okay, this is abandoned. This area is abandoned. So where are the people or the vehicles? You know, you're not going to have people or vehicles around. I'd like to know what's really going on here, that the Harbor Patrol had to come and they had to use something as an excuse to get these people off this island. I mean, what's really going on, and what's really the distraction about the drones, because it's sort of ridiculous. But to arrest people for playing or flying a toy recreational drone, not even, well, 2 miles from an airport, and the drone itself can only go 20 to 100 meters. Doesn't seem like a risk. So this drone thing is a huge distraction, and they're also using these people as scapegoats, I think. And my last point too is, let's see, this, okay, so this guy, the Boston police, let's see, Linsky, former Boston police chief, I think that this is what he said. Yep, I think that this is his quote. It says, even small drones pose significant risks, including the potential for catastrophic damage to airplanes and helicopters. So you have aluminum planes that small drones can pose significant risk to, but yet still buildings supposedly get toppled, and the plane, well, the plane didn't want out either, but something just doesn't add up. And the thing is too, whose skies are they? I mean, what they have, so the airports have 4 to 5 nautical miles of total control over airspace, over people's airspace. Sorry, I'm not buying it. And there's no video. I have yet to see any video at all for that arrest. And the third person got away, but I'm with Obi-Wan here. These are not the drones you're looking for, and I think that the people are being highly distracted and used as scapegoats. Oh, and also the other guy who was arrested, Jeremy Fulsick, isn't that weird? Fullsick, but Jeremy Fulsick, when I look at his, the anagram of his name, it's right here, crime fly joke. I just thought that was sort of funny. All right, that's it. So I'll ask you guys, what do you think's going on? I mean, why are all the news people covering this? 2 arrests, there's no video at all. You know, what's really going on? Like, they're flying toy drones. Can't even go the distance, but yet they're being set up, made as scapegoats. So I'd like to see your opinion of what this distraction is about the drones and about these people being arrested. So keep an eye on them, if at all, if they were even arrested. Who knows? Someone should we should FOIA the body cams that they have. I think Harbor Patrol too went after it. All right, that's it.